top story. The farmer protest will be going across to our reporters as farmers sit on a one-day hunger strike today and plan to intensify their agitation. Now, the farmers' unions leading the protest at the borders of the national capital against the 3 new farm laws have said that the leaders of all the farmer organizations will observe a day-long hunger strike as part of their ongoing agitation. The hunger strike is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and is part of their plan to intensify their agitation starting today. The farmers said that protests will also be held in other parts of the country. The unions also disassociated themselves from a delegation of farmers from Uttarakhand who met the Union Agriculture Minister on Sunday and extended their support to the new laws. On Sunday, the protests continued across Delhi borders with more farmers also joining in the stir at Shingu, and thousands of farmers on their way to Delhi reached the Rewari border of Haryana where the police blocked the Delhi-Jaipur highway to stop them from entering the state. That protest continues today as well. Well, let's go across to Arvind who joins us from the Shingu border. Sukirti joins us from the Rewari border. And first to you, Arvind, we saw that there were farmer leaders were on the stage. There were prayers that were held, and now that one-day hunger strike has begun.
Yeah, Gargi, the one-day hunger strike in an attempt to intensify their protest against the 3 farm laws has begun. We can see the farm leaders, the farmer union leaders at the stage. They are giving speeches also. On the other hand side, we can see this side we can see women farmers. They are also sitting along with other farmers as a mark of protest against the 3 farm laws. So the farmers have already arrived here and the hunger strike has begun. So we have got 2 updates. One, the farm leaders, what they are saying is that they will be having a meeting in the afternoon around 5 o'clock. Once this hunger strike protest gets over, they will be addressing the media where they would be spelling out the future course of action. So what we are learning from farmer leaders here is that it will be a series of protests starting today, and that's why they want to start the protest here with a non-violence mark, that is a hunger strike. In this entire week, we will be seeing a series of protests where the farmers across the country will be taking part. That's what we are learning from the farmers leaders here. So when we asked them, because government has told them that the government is very much ready, open for talks with them, what the farmers leaders are actually saying is that the government is actually trying to delay the entire talk by saying that they are ready for the talk, they are ready for the talk. At the same time, what they are actually opting is to divide and rule. They are trying to divide the unity of farmers by delaying the talks, and that's why the farmers leaders are saying is that they will be agreeing for the talks only if government gives in writing that they will be repealing the laws. Unless until government gives in writing that they are going to repeal the laws, there is no point going forward with talks. That's what the farmers leaders are saying. So today around 5 o'clock we'll be getting to know what is the future course of action from the point here.
Right, Arvind, and what of this talk of certain divisions between the farmer groups? One group from Uttarakhand went and met the agriculture minister, and they, of course, the farmers have distanced themselves, saying that they're not a part of this. Also, that one of the borders from Haryana leading to Delhi was freed up by another farmer group.
Yeah, Gargi, in fact, what the farmer leaders are actually saying here is that around 40 organizations, they came together, and then their protest is continuing for last 10 to 15 days. And what they are saying is that these 40 organizations, they are still together, their protest is still very much united, and they are continuing with the protest. What they are also saying is that government, by delaying the talk, by continuously saying that come for a talk, and every time when they go for a talk, the talks are going for hours, and then there is no solution, there is no clear-cut solution that has been arrived as on date. There have been 5 rounds of talk. But on the other hand side, several farmers organizations from several sectors, those organizations are not part of this particular movement. Those organizations are being, the ministers from this government are meeting those farmers leaders and then claiming that these organizations are in support of the 3 farm laws. That's what these farmer leaders are saying, is that this is actually a divide and rule strategy of the government, and all those 40 odd organizations that have come together against these 3 farm laws are very much together, and then they will be continuing to fight together, and there is still their unity is very much intact.